of tea, I think, and have some dinner, and then have a go back at this again after dinner. Cheers. Good morning. Here we go again with the bumper. No, don't step on this. No. Sound ending down. The next technique. The interior. Spare wheel, got cover on it. I got to put those things in and match them up together somehow. Finally attaching the bumper and bolting it back on. It's only been 2 weeks of like messing around with this thing, but here we go. Gonna bolt the thing on in position. Something on there. Got to weld some tabs underneath there. Yeah, I've been working on this morning. Trying to get these all covered up in a nice place. Gotta fix this. Bumpers in a good shape, good position. I'm happy with that, it's bolted in. It ain't coming off. This is pretty good. I still got to do a little work in here maybe, out here. And I started on the interior, I started working on all the panels over on the other side over there. Time and effort, so this is time and effort. There's some of the other interior parts, you gotta figure out where they go, where they fit. Speaker box, this is actually how they made it at the factory. This is not homemade, this is thing. Now this bit we had to make, but that is factory. Something like there's an element that goes in here too, which I don't have. Well, good morning. I think it's day 9 now. Pulling this thing out, and you know what's easy about this? Not much. Not once you get it in there, it's not too bad, but getting it underneath the car, getting it on the jack, well, that's just going to be the fun bit. Another angle so you can see how big that transmission is. It just come right off. I just don't have the guts and strength to pull it off, I guess. I've been at it for a long time today. Ah, yeah! I kind of cleaned this up as best as I could for now. I've got to remove the, I put